opened this reborn, yeah, packaging over there. So this is so cute. In the comments, hold on, I'll say that last. So I'm gonna be changing her into the outfit she came with. So I am going to. Alright guys, so sorry if you hear my annoying dad. Alright, so let's just put on her diaper. I guess stop. Just film me. Alright, so we're gonna change the baby. Let's change it. My brother's recording him. Alright, come over here. So I'm just putting on her diaper that she came with. So, sorry if you hear him. I'm not sure if you. Alright, hurry up, Dad. Please stop. So now I'm gonna put on. It doesn't matter if I hear you. Okay. So I'm gonna get you back for this. You you
Prank is a go.
It doesn't matter if you hear you because they hear you because they can't.
La 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 la.
Oh my god! Pause the video! Pause it! Pause. Alright. Pause it! Alright, so I'm putting on her little shirt. She's actually comfy. Alright. I can't get this on her. Why doesn't this fit her if it came
Let me see.
with her?
me see.
Oh, I got it. The fingers always get stuck.
Because she's in a certain angle.
This is how we trip this good.
See?
Come on, get on the baby.
See?
Alright, so he's helping. My brother's helping with the baby. Oh my gosh. Why do they give us clothes that doesn't even fit the baby?
That's
It's like a
dirty.
tank top. Nope, I don't like this. It's gonna be hard to take off, so we'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this better fit her, or else I'm gonna be angry. Cause what else is she gonna wear?
The previous one is a piece of shit.
Oh, sorry if you heard that bad word, but my videos are not about bad word stuff, so sorry about that. It's just my brother. He's just trying to make you guys laugh, right?
Yes.
He's funny. Right. So he's filming for me. This isn't fitting her either. Oh, there we go. That's good. Yay! Finally, something. She's about to get it. I'm gonna feed her bottle now. Alright guys, so I changed her. This doesn't fit her really good, but it still fits her. You can still see like her.
And you can also move her hands.
Yeah. Like that. If you have this baby doll,
Sit up for days.
Alright, get the camera. Alright, so let's put on her socks now. Really? That close? Alright, her socks fit her really good. The socks are like the only thing that fits her super duper good. Why are you laughing? Okay, so we're just putting on the socks. If this boring to you, go watch another video.
Oh.
Oh, that was an accident. Sorry. You accidentally hit the baby with the camera. Get down, get down, get down. Sorry. I'm just very pushing. Right, there we go. She's
Look
on
at
trend.
compared to Lila.
This is Lila's
Pretty big.
baby sister.
Lila's
Lila
pretty big.
is 1 year old. This is like 1 month old. This baby. Hold on. This is 0 months old. Oh, yeah. So it's a newborn. It's so cute. I really recommend this doll, but the clothes over fit it really good, so that sucks. So yeah. Now I'm just gonna prepare her bottle, so I'll be back. Wait.
By the way, we're not sponsored by JC. We're just making a video before you guys even say anything about JC. It's just a video for a review for this little baby.
Baby doll. It is so cute and adorable. And I bought this doll because when I got Lila, I saw them. Alright, so we're back. And so stop. So I really recommend this doll, and I've been seeing lots of videos of this doll, like from Fun Factor. Make sure to go, I think that's what it's called. Make sure to go check out the channel. It's awesome. I think they got this baby doll, and it is so cute. So actually, I'm not gonna film like feeding it because that'll be too long. So thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below. What should I call her? Bye!
Shout out.
Oh, I forgot. A shout out to my brother for filming me. And JC.